Welcome to MyKidReports, the complete childcare management solution. In today's video, we'll walk you through the attendance feature, designed to make check-ins, check-outs, and reporting seamless for your childcare center. Let's dive right in. To get started, log into MyKidReports and navigate to the attendance section from the left-hand menu. Here you'll find two powerful tools under attendance, the Check-in Kiosk and Check-in Reports. The Check-in Kiosk streamlines how parents and staff check children in and out of the center. You have three simple options to manage attendance: using a device for QR scanning or manual code entry, printing a QR code for parents, or letting staff handle check-ins directly. Let's see how this works. Click on Open Check-in Kiosk. A confirmation pop-up appears to lock the device for kiosk mode. Select Yes, Do It to proceed. In kiosk mode, parents or staff can scan the QR code displayed on the screen or manually enter the 6-digit check-in code. Once the code is entered, they'll see the names of children associated with their account. Tap Check In or Check Out to complete the process. Now, let's explore Check-in Reports. This feature provides detailed insights into attendance records for both children and staff. Select Children or Staff tabs to view individual reports. Under the Children tab, you'll see a weekly summary of attendance records. Click on a child's name to view their check-in and check-out times for each day of the week. If no check-ins are recorded, you can manually add hours. Simply click Add Hours, select the date, and input the check-in and check-out times. Hit Save to update the records. To delete a child's check-in or check-out details, simply click on the delete icon next to the corresponding entry. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click OK to confirm the deletion. This feature allows you to efficiently manage and update check-in and check-out records as needed. The Staff tab works similarly. You can sort staff attendance by name and view their weekly check-in summary. Click on a staff member to open detailed records. Just like with children, you can add hours manually for staff by selecting the date and entering the check-in and check-out times. This ensures all attendance is accurate and up to date. You can also edit the check-in and check-out time by selecting the corresponding entry and updating the details. To delete a staff member's check-in or check-out details, simply click on the delete icon next to the relevant entry. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click OK to confirm the deletion. This feature ensures efficient management of staff attendance records. Once you log in as a parent, you will land on the Parent Home screen. Here, you can see a list of your children, along with their check-in and check-out status. To view attendance details, tap on your child's name or profile picture. After selecting your child, you'll be taken to their profile page. At the top, you will see a button indicating the current status of your child. Below the profile, click on the View Attendance link to access the detailed attendance report. This page shows detailed attendance records for your child, including days of the week, check-in times, check-out times, total hours spent in the childcare center. If no records are available, a message will indicate that there are no check-ins found for the selected week. The report helps parents keep track of their child's time at the center, ensuring clarity and transparency regarding their attendance. Upon logging into the staff account, you are greeted with the Staff Home page. This page provides an overview of current check-ins, including the number of students and staff checked in. Locate your profile at the top with a green dot indicating your check-in status. Below your profile, there is a button labeled View Attendance. Click on this button to proceed to the detailed check-in report. After clicking, you'll be directed to the check-in report page. This report provides a weekly overview of your attendance showing the total hours worked for the week, specific check-in and check-out times for each day, If no check-ins are recorded, the report will display "No check-ins found" for the corresponding days. The total hours worked for the week is prominently displayed at the top. This helps staff easily monitor their working hours. And that's it. MyKidReports attendance feature ensures your childcare center runs efficiently by simplifying check-ins, check-outs, and attendance tracking. Whether you're managing children or staff, this feature has everything you need to stay organized. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Visit mykidreports.com to learn more about our features or schedule a demo today.